All right, Matt, go ahead and crank it up.
You ready?
Yeah, it's sounding rough.
Oh shit, turn it off, turn it off.
Shit. That ain't fucking good.
Give me a sad face.
What?
Give me a sad face. Sad face.
Come on, baby. I'll pull it out in traffic. It went too late.
Almost got hit.
The walk of shame. That's what's up. Welcome back to another Poor Boys Racing video, and today we are diagnosing the Fairmont, and it was not a good video. So if you haven't seen what happened when we first drove the Fairmont last night, you'll have to check that video out. Click that box above. So Matt, and John diagnosed the Fairmont, and here I'll put some clips here in just a second. The Fairmont is in working order, minus some minor issues. And what do you think, Matt?
It ain't got no gas in it.
I don't think that's it.
I think that's it.
I filled it up every time I got it. And the last time I drove it.
What
I mean,
why do you think the the fuel pressure went low?
The voltage on the battery and weak pump. I mean,
It wasn't that low. It was like 11.5 volts. It was like 11.5 volts the whole time. Which makes me wonder if that's even right.
you know what's weird? And I was thinking about,
It doesn't sound like it's got 11.5 volts. It cranks pretty strong.
yeah. Well, you know what I thought about?
What?
You know when we checked the brake pedal, and I said, and we checked it with a meter, and I said, or John said, oh, it's got 11.2 volts. We didn't think, I know the car wasn't cranked and all that, but we didn't think nothing of it. I just thought it was like the voltage drop from the battery there.
Yeah.
But it should have been 12 something.
Yeah. I mean, with it not running.
Right, but I mean, now thinking back, like that could have been a sign to, hey, let's check to see if it has oil pressure. Hey, let's check to see if it has battery. Let's check, let's check all the things that we should check.
Yeah, we're just focusing on a lot of stuff.
We just want to make sure the transmission in the rear end was good. So, anyways, we'll kind of go through. I'll put some clips of what they did last night to diagnose it, and we'll kind of go from there because we're trying to get this thing to the street and it's coming up, and trying to knock all these videos out because it's coming up quick, and I think we're gonna do daily uploads. So, as long as we don't have any super major issues, and Matt wheels while I do some editing, we'll probably put up a video every day for that. So stay tuned for that. So after further troubleshooting, we found that this wire was not plugged back in over here. We're about to test it, and we've got 14 volts. Now we need to double check the fuel pressure is. Okay, because you're not filming, so I can't do everything.
Let me check you. You're a little bit too amped up.
I'm not. So after last night's issues, and hopefully we dodged a bullet, we put in some safeties here for the oil pressure, fuel pressure, and the AFR correction. So now we're going to take this thing out and test, make sure that this cuts off when it's supposed to cut off, and it doesn't cut off when it shouldn't cut off. And first rev sounds good. We're making it extra safe now that we played around with fire. I was constantly hearing something. Hey, we need to check the spark plugs. I don't think that we pulled them off since we got
Never had them out of this car.
test drive number 2 going down.
Maybe this one's better.
Hey, don't be bumping it up the limiter. Blah, 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 blah. Did you do that? That's not good. Hey, we haven't checked trans fluid. I see fluid.
Right there.
Another core. If it ain't.
We tried to kill this thing. Hard.
I saw red. I was like,
Is it? Has it been able to sit there and idle before without overheating?
It was last night.
we did last night. It
197.
sat at 197, 198 for 15, 20 minutes. I don't know that we've idled it this long since we left yet last night. If it ain't fleas, it's ticks. If it ain't ticks, it's ticking. If it ain't blown up, transmissions is it's slipping.
Me and Nat said this earlier. Said the FAILmont is living up to the name, dude. Like, everything is failing.
It is. This thing was built on the edge of sloppy. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this.
Yeah. Just water in my radiator.
So you were in that video last night. You were totally faking after he said, "Cut it off, get off." Look sad, Dolls, and because I looked at it, I was like, that don't look fake. But then after I watched it, after I said it, I was like, that looks fake as f-.
It was so hard.
That looks so fake.
I was dying laughing on the inside.
I know you were. I know you wanted to really bad.
But that's not nice.
What do you think, Matt Sertuna Mole?
I'm thinking I probably can do this on a 1D table. I don't need 2D on this.
For coolant?
Yeah, I can save this table.
Yeah, if coolant gets too hot, cut off.
Right.
I don't think those are hydro fans, are they?
Water pumps.
Exterior water pumps. Hey, you got something on your head. Like right about, there you go. What's a safe temperature? How many rags do you need for 210?
I mean, it's got MLS head gaskets on it. These drag shocks, son.
Shoot. Those are no prep shocks.
Vintage 1981 drag shocks.
She tooted. Put some different backspace in the front wheels from the Mont on there. And we got all kinds of finger space up in there.
It makes me think that there's not any water in the head.
And that was steam.
Spray. Let me get
There's no water to spray.
It's down to here,
Oh, is it?
which is below the heads.
Science.
Science.
Tech time with Tolly. TED Talk with Tolly.
Drink it in, bitch.
You ready? Hey, that's good. It's going down. Set it up while it's running. Yeah, bud. It's going down. 205. 200. 199. Coolant temp is 192. Oil pressure's good. Closed loop's good. Fuel pressure's good. Fan is off. Battery's good. All right. We didn't do that last night, so.
Yeah, that would
I don't know what we were doing. I think we were just like so happy it was running. Forgot about all the stuff you need to have.
So 53 right now.
hit something.
Woo! Popped again. It hit something there. I saw it red. On that one, we hit something.
That's weird.
Yeah. Car cut off.
Come on, baby. I'll pull it out in the traffic here.
It went too late.
Almost got hit.
Yes or no? We're doing it or not?
Just data log if you're gonna do it.
Just data logging. Go ahead. It says we're doing 9 mile an hour when we aren't doing
All right.
That's the best it's done yet.
That is. Holy moly.
Brakes are cooking. All right, let's turn that data log off.
Oh God.
That's moving for 3 of us in this thing.
That was. All I was looking at was closed loop comp, and it was pulling 6%. So
Brakes are
Moving
hot.
out.
Brakes are literally smoking.
Brakes are.
I got smoke coming out
Oh.
of the vent. Or it was.
I saw it.
Coming out of head.
Coming out of the vent on the dash.
Hey, she felt strong.
It felt good. I do not know how that car is still alive.
Me either. After all the trouble we've had with it,
To
the
be as
last.
competent as we are, I feel so stupid with how much dumb shit we've done on this thing in the past 24 hours.
Dumb stuff.
Yeah, dumb stuff, YouTube. That's right.
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess I'm too used to driving my car, which is sorted out. Everything we got is pretty sorted, and then we come to this jalopy.
It's fine.
He told me last night, he said, I'm not optimistic, but I'm going to give it 50-50.
As optimistic as we are, and as pessimistic as you are,
Hey, if I give it 50-50, that's a pretty good shot at spot.
That's pretty solid. That's like a 90 from us. I wasn't feeling it, but I guess you're right.
we both were like, Rod, knock, it's done. We might as well shut it off now.
It sounded freaking horrible
It did
when
sound
it first
bad.
happened. It sounded bad.
Anyways, these guys got to head to work, and we're gonna wrap the video up here. So the Fairmont has made a second voyage, and it was better than the first one. So we figured out some bugs. We're gonna look at some data logs and figure some more stuff out and try to get it better for Street Neat. So if you haven't liked, subscribe, do all that stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yep, that is